Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to make an origami crane. First, we have to make a triangle. Then we have to make another triangle of it. Then open it. Then flip it and make a rectangle of it and make a square of that rectangle. Now open it and flip the paper. Make it in the diamond shape and first hold these edges and then do like this. Like this. Now fold this part and this part. Flip it and do the same thing. And then fold this. Now open this and then fold it like this. At the other side also open these and then flip it. And fold it. Now these are the wings of the dragon. These are the wings of the crane. Now we are gonna make the mouth of the crane. First, do it like this and fold it, and then do it like this. And then this will be same step here also. Then make it like this. And then fold it. Now we are done with our crane. You have to hold it and pull the tail of the crane so it should flap. Thank you.